Well, picked this up yesterday at the Zachary Farm Museum show. Talked about in the last one, so couldn't get it started, even though the guy ran it there. It was kind of weird. The gas tank is filled, but pretty much smells like turpentine. Yeah, definitely turpentine. So I'm going to drain that, put some fresh gas in, and then give it a pull. But I had to put it up on my box here to get some vertical height on it below a gallon jug I'll drain it into. So let me drain the gas, and then I'll take a closer look. Got the tank off. Definitely funky. I don't think I've ever seen a carb with these types of dip tubes on them. It's kind of weird. Haven't worked with many rigs for stuff like that, so we'll clean it and got it back together. One thing I noticed, this tube off the side, I don't know what it's for. Air? Some type of air intake or suction or something. It's kind of funky because it, obviously it's going into the engine over here for intake, but I'm assuming this is kind of some funky vacuum or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out as I go along. One thing I just noticed, once I go just take out the spark plug to clean it, it was a little fouled, but overall it seems like it's in decent shape. But it was pretty loose. Like, I basically used a wrench. It was a little more than hand tight, but when I used the wrench, it was took literally no effort. But so we'll throw some carb clean in there, and we'll drop this thing down and give it a pull. All right, I'm gonna give it a pull here. Let's see what happens. I'll give it a little juice from the carb cleaner, just to get a little bit of spark. Hopefully have better success than I did yesterday afternoon. Doesn't seem like it's sparking, which I don't understand. It did yesterday. Oh, yeah. A little bit of a spark. Not much. I don't know why I'm touching the spark plug. Not dropping. A little bit. Try it again. Well, folks, hey, looks like it works. Looks like it just, I don't know, needs a few extra pulls, maybe low compression or something, but it runs like a champ once it runs. Now, next project is figure out a way to patch this hole, which I saw a video on it. A guy basically took, the aluminum tape and super glue and just, coated it and layered it and coated it and layered it. I don't know if I'll do that. I'll see if I can think of something better. Maybe just some window screen and some wood screwed back to back. But hey, there's the billy goat from the tractor show yesterday. Bonus. Sweet. Have a good one.